welcome back to the channel. This is LINOVISION. Our PoE-Extender02 has been one of the most popular products. It's compact, reliable, and trusted by thousands of our users. For many applications like IP cameras, basic IoT devices, it delivers exactly what's needed. Today's deployments demand more. 4K security cameras streaming high-bitrate video, and Wi-Fi 6 access points serving dozens of users, and edge IoT gateways process real-time data. In these scenarios, 100 megabits per second just isn't enough. That was the natural limit of the original PoE-Extender, and that's exactly why we developed the LINOVISION Industrial 2 ports Gigabit PoE-Extender, an upgraded version built to handle these bandwidth-heavy environments. It keeps a small size and easy installation that users loved. And now, as a full gigabit throughput, and on top of that, it's engineered with a durable metal housing, ensuring excellent stability even in long-term, mission-critical deployments. Single PoE cable into 2 gigabit PoE outputs, and 30-watt shared PoE power for dual devices. Power 2 IP cameras, Wi-Fi APs, or IoT devices from one switch port. Fully compliant with IEEE 2.3 AF 80 PoE standards, it works seamlessly with the PoE switches, PoE injectors, and PoE NVRs. Break-free from 100 meters Ethernet limit, each extender adds another 100 meter, 330 feet of the PoE power and gigabit data, with no extra power supply required. Supports up to 2-level cascading extending PoE and gigabit data up to 660 feet, 200 meters. Without additional power supplies, zero configuration. Just to connect Cat5e, Cat6 cables, and extender automatically detects and powers your PoE devices. It's the easiest way to expand your network without downtime. Mini size fits easily into wall-mount brackets, junction boxes, or outdoor waterproof enclosures, ideal for clean and discreet installations. This lightweight metal unit fits neatly inside standard camera junction boxes,